name is Laura, and I work at the VBDL Antwerp Sunshine Branch. And I'm Michelle. I work with Laura at the same branch. We are going to take off our masks now because we are alone in the library so that you can hear our voices better. Today, we're going to do an experiment called Vegetable Vampires. And we're going to tell you what we need. We're going to need some paper towel, some food coloring, red and blue, or you can use other colors if you like, 2 rubber bands, some toothpicks, and
then you're going to need some Napa cabbage or whatever you happen to have. This is what we use for it. You can use a red pepper to make vampire teeth if you'd like. You're going to use some olives maybe for the eyes to decorate it some more. And of course you need to have a cutting board and a knife. Along with the knife, you'll need an adult to help you with the cutting and a couple of bowls.
Michelle's going to cut our Napa cabbage in half. Make sure you have an adult with you. The adult actually might need to help you cut the cabbage because it's difficult to cut.
You're going to start about 1 inch up or from the bottom here and just cut that part right off. Okay, put that aside. And then you kind of want to cut right down the middle through a big leaf if you can at all. But you don't want to go all the way through because you want to keep them attached. You know, we forgot we need some water too.
Oh,
you have to have warm water for our bowls.
I'll get some warm water while you're cutting.
All right, sounds good. See, I'm not going to go all the way through because we want to keep it attached like our 2 over there, which you'll see in a minute. So some of these might fall off. You're going to let that flop over, grab a couple of rubber bands. And we're going to just slide the rubber band on one end. See that? Oh! Things like that happen. And I'm going to take a couple of these loose leaves off. And we'll slide the rubber band over there. See, so they're still attached. See that? And Laura is getting her water.
All right, here's your water. Does it need to have more water than that, or is that good?
It's about, yep, a little, like over half or 2/3 full. So you're going to put one, actually, we need the food coloring in there as well, but I guess we could do that.
Yeah, we can go ahead and just do that now. So here's your food coloring.
You want to put at least 10 to 20 drops of blue or whatever color in one and red in the other.
I'll do blue and you can do the red.
All right.
All right, here we go. Don't forget to count.
4, 5, 6. I don't know. I think we should go to the 20 route on this. These are pretty big bowls.
15, 16.
I think that's good.
All right, I got my 20 drops in.
And then you're going to just slide one side in and one on the bowl and the other side on the other. And make sure they're in there pretty deep.
It looks like it's pretty deep.
And to be honest with you, it takes quite a long time for it to do its capillary action. These friends, I named them Laszlo and Nadja. They've been soaking for over 24 hours.
So you can see how the water that was blue has now traveled up through the lettuce. This is called capillary action. It is the same way that plants get their water. When it rains, the roots are down in the ground, the water goes into the ground, and then it is sucked up through the capillaries, making it turn blue. You have capillary action when you dry yourself off after a shower.
You can use other vegetables as well. Look at here, I've used some cauliflower, and there is celery.
Yeah, so play around. Get some different vegetables. Use some water and food coloring.
And while you're waiting for this, if you want to decorate them, I can show you how to decorate them really
You're going to
quick.
need some toothpicks.
This was the most fun part for me. Here we go. Just stick them right in there. There's one eye.
Like she said, she's using olives, but you can use whatever you have around your house.
Okay, and then I have this for vampire teeth. It's just a piece of red pepper. I'll just stick it. Maybe I'll stick one there. There you go. What do you think?
Looks pretty fun.
And there's your veggie vampire. 24 to 48 hours. It's going to be all red on one side, and the other side will have the blue going through it.
All right, guys, it was so fun sharing this experiment with you. We hope you have a good time. And send us some photos of what your experiments look like. We would love to put those on our website. We're going to go back into the library now, so we're going to put our mask back on.
Mask out.
Mask out. Bye. Bye.